Hello, I'm going to talk about 4 monuments of my city, Sevilla. And the first monument that we can see here is the Spain Square. It was built in the 1929 because in Sevilla there was a very important exhibition, a Spanish and American exhibition. And this was the Spanish Pavilion. It is a very beautiful place with elements like bricks, ceramic, water, iron, which makes a very wonderful place that you can never lose in Sevilla. You have to visit. The second monument that I'm going to talk about is the Hillel Tower. I think that it is the most representative and the most important monument in the city. All the tourists that come to Sevilla want to see this tower or want to go up to this tower and see the views of the city, and also know all the history of this tower, because this tower is full of history. The third monument is the Cathedral of Sevilla, and it is also a very important monument here in the city. It is a Gothic style, and it is one of the most biggest temples, Christian temples in the world. And this last monument that I'm going to talk about is the Tower of Gold. And also it is a very important monument in the city. It is in the river, and it was built in the 13th century just to defend the city from the dangers that came from the river. It is a Muslim tower, and it is very beautiful also to see the views from this tower, the views of the river from this tower.